Greetings and welcome back to my channel. This is mystery box number 3 from my buddy Paul, who was going to retire, and he said when he dies he didn't want his family throwing out all his Atari stuff, so he's sending it up to me and I just pay for shipping. So I believe this is box number 3. Let's see what we get. I did open it up just for a second and take a quick look inside. So Atari 400 keyboard, I need that for a 400 sitting down here. So like I told Paul, everything can be used. I'm looking at some disk drives, parts. That looks like a 1050. OS cards, 400, 800 OS cards. 810 power supply. 810, oh no, that's a Rana 1000. It's like he gave up on it. What the hell is this? Oh. Not sure what that is. I think it's a 1050 something or other. Here's an 810 power board with the top Grass Valley analog board. I believe that's what that is. That's an 810 or 1050 power board. Same there. Oh, we're looking at good stuff. More like power boards. Some sort of disk drive, another one. Another one of those, Atari patch. Hey, those are cool. RF modulator. 10K ROM. All these can be used. Intech peripherals. I think that's a 48K RAM card or a 32, I'm not sure. I'll have to look. More cards. OS. Alright. 1200 XL. A little beat up. There's a cartridge in there. What is it? Basic. Sweet. $1200 XL. Cartridge in there. What is it? Basic. Sweet. And then in here, I got another disk drive. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like that 1050 Mac. And then RF modulator out of an 800 or 400. 16K RAM, 10K ROM. It's garbage. 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 OS card. 16K RAM. Sparta-DOS X. Sweet. And then we got cartridges. Basic. Pac-Man. Telelink. A basic with a silver label. I've never seen that before. Basic. Centipede. Missile Command. Atari Writer. And Star Raiders. Good, good, good. And yeah, that's it. Wait. Some weird stuff in the bottom. Yeah, there we go. Thanks, Paul. Time to clean and test. I can almost guarantee you that the keyboards on those 1200 XLs don't work, but you might get lucky. I can get new keyboard mylars from them from Best Electronics. Anyway, ta-da! It'll be a fun Saturday. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I'm feeling a little better today, and I get to do a little work and get busy creating and doing stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching my box opening video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's going to be one of those computers are really going to put a shot in the arm into the business. Much needed. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I'm going to get to work here and clean some stuff and test. All right. Enjoy your Saturday, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.